Crescent Park manufacturer nearly shuts down, but now it's hiring new employees. We are highlighting another company working for Chicago in this unemployment crisis.
Morning Insider Lauren Victory shows us how the trophy maker gets the award for reinvention.
At sports awards, COVID-19 cut like a knife. Stress piled on. Not much was going smoothly for the corporate plaque and athletic trophies maker.
Right after the shelter-in-place order, we furloughed about 70% of our company, which is about 70 people.
This is usually humming right now. This is the busiest part of the year for us.
A few weeks after that, President Jason Newton showed us his mostly empty warehouse over Skype.
That's about a loss of about $80,000 to $100,000.
The virus canceled orders for tournaments, races, and other big events.
We're starting to see these acrylic displays go up at checkout counters and at pickup places, and we thought, well, hey, we can make that.
Now the material normally used for plaques is being fashioned into sneeze guards, customized to fit countertops of any size. Logos, credit card information, and instructions can be applied with this machine. Banks are calling, car dealerships too. Office managers could be next. Check out this prototype. It could be the cubicle of the future.
Sometimes we only have 1-day turnaround, 2-day turnarounds.
Shipping manager Charles Patton was able to return to sports awards earlier this month, with more coworkers coming back this week.
We have so much production for these sneeze guards as well as some of the other stuff that we're doing that we need to hire more people.
I've been here 20 years and this is the craziest it's been.
Laser operators, sandblasting operators, digital printer operators. So we're definitely taking applications every day.
You have to work in a mask all day, and then we also have to have our temperature taken.
Keeping safe while making sure others can be too, as the world slowly opens back up. Working for Chicago, Lauren Victory, CBS 2 News.
That is a participation trophy for sure. For more information on how to apply for a job at Sports Awards, check out cbschicago.com.